Have you ever missed a payment on a bill or a credit card or something? Life happens. Things get crazy. You, everybody does it at some point. And you don't necessarily have to freak out immediately if you miss a payment on your life insurance contract. I'll get into that in just a second. My name is Jake Williams, and I'm a life insurance specialist with Step Up Wealth Management. For more information on life insurance or the role that it can play in an overall financial plan that is tailored to you and your goals, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified immediately anytime I upload a video and you never miss one. So, insurance companies they're in the business of making money, but they're also in the people business. And they realize that with people, sometimes life happens. Doesn't necessarily really matter why, but it can. So maybe you miss a payment. And what impact does that have on your life insurance contract? Well, thankfully, the payment doesn't immediately lapse the day that you miss the payment. There's a grace period built in there. And this is another one of those clauses in the typical life insurance contract that I've been doing videos on for the last week or so. This one specifically states how long the grace period is. And in a typical contract, it's about 30 or 31 days. Again, check your contract, make sure that your life insurance contract doesn't say anything different, but the ones that I've typically seen, it's about 30 or 31 days. And what that means is if you miss a payment, the life insurance doesn't immediately terminate the day of the missed payment. You've got 30 or 31 days. And if an insured death or a claimed death happens within those 31 days or within that grace period, the policy will still pay the death benefit. Now, what they will do is they will take the unpaid premiums out of that death benefit. So if you've got a $100,000 term policy and it's got that the grace period on it, in that death benefit, you pass away within that grace period after a missed payment, they're not going to pay the full $100,000. They'll subtract whatever payment you owed them from that pay period. So say it was a monthly payment, you're paying $15. They'll take that $15 off and you'll still get the rest of that 100,000 minus 15. It allows for humanity and some grace, and especially with a death claim, maybe the reason that the payment was missed was the terminal series of events that ended up leading to the insured's death. They don't want to immediately disqualify somebody because their last month was a difficult one, because they can be. They're human, they realize that. That's why there's a grace period built into the standard life insurance contract. If you've got other questions on the life insurance contract, some of the clauses that might be in there, some of the wording, or what it means to you, drop me a comment down below. Lets me know what kind of questions you guys have, gives me information that I can turn into future videos. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Lets me know that I'm doing a good job, lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job, and just keeps everybody happy. Most importantly though, if what we talked about, getting life insurance and getting coverage and making sure it fits for you, is something that you want to do, there's a link in the description below where you can apply to become my client. Go check it out. There's some fact finding that we do after a short masterclass, and then you and I sit down face to face to figure out what works for you, how we can take care of your life, your responsibilities, your needs, and fit it into your budget. What we look for, though, is that you're able to take care of your now, your future, and beyond. Thanks for watching.